In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create stunning, professional-looking presentations using WPS Office. Before we begin, click the link in the description to download and try WPS Office Pro Suite for free and unlock all its premium tools. Step 1. Open WPS Presentation. Launch WPS Office on your computer and choose WPS Slides from the home screen. Step 2. Pick a template or start fresh. You can begin with a blank slide deck or choose from a diverse range of ready-made templates. These are designed for business reports, pitches, school projects, and more, sparking your creativity. Step 3. Add content. Insert your text, images, and shapes. WPS offers smart alignment guides and drag-and-drop tools, so your slides always look clean and balanced. Step 4. Customize your design. Use built-in themes, fonts, color palettes, and animations to make your presentation stand out. You can also add transitions for a smooth flow between slides. Step 5. Enhance with charts and media. Bring your data to life by inserting charts, graphs, or even video clips. This instantly makes your slides more engaging and professional. Step 6. Save and share. Finally, save your presentation in multiple formats, including PPTX and PDF, so you can share it easily across platforms. And that's it. With WPS Office, creating eye-catching presentations is simple, fast, and powerful. Don't forget, click the link in the description to download and try WPS Office Pro Suite for free today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe to 90-Second Tech, and join our free newsletter for exclusive tips, tools, and tech hacks delivered straight to your inbox. And make sure to watch our next video, Create Stunning Presentations in Minutes with WPS AI. It's on screen right now. Thanks for watching.